street and you was walking on concrete and you saw a rose growing out of concrete, even if it had messed up petals and it was a little, to the side, you would marvel at just seeing a rose grow through concrete. So why is it that when you see some ghetto kid grow out of all of the dirtiest circumstances and he can talk and he can sit across from you, make you smile, make you cry, make you laugh, all you can talk about is my dirty rose. You can't even see that I came up out of that shit.
Hustle the homie, just know you got a nigga. Serving swerve early morning, cause ain't no giving it up. Hustle the homie, just know you got your nigga. Hustle the homie, just know you got a nigga. Serving swerve early morning, cause ain't no giving it up. Hustle the homie, just know you got your nigga. Feel my pain, nigga. Praying that this blunt refresh my recollection. Lately I've been stressing, second guessing on that path I'm headed. Staring my reflection, straight embarrassed from pain I'm inherited. Came from broken parents, they live separate, pop seem to forget. Or maybe get happy home, a fairy tale, cause God made my mom spread her angel wings and she left me here. Roam amongst with Satan's kids, only go by alias slow. Label them aliens that kill you for that spacious whip. Gold chain dangling, feeling like the Django's kid. Some of my best homies had to Kobe fade away from them. Family members showed me it get lonely, my selection slim. No, for real, to the page, I don't really mess with them. Make you achieve what's in dire need, made you turn your back on me. Memories till I can't believe how VV splash on me. Memories that I came to peace with deceased. Pass on as quickly, I speed to your block, hop out and proceed to blast on me.
Eyewitnesses to the assassination say that Dr. King left his room 306 at the Lorraine Hotel just before dinner to get some air.
In what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
Hustle the homie, just know you got a nigga. Serving swerve early morning, cause ain't no giving it up. Hustle the homie, just know you got your nigga. Hustle the homie, just know you got a nigga. Serving swerve early morning, cause ain't no giving it up. Hustle the homie, just know you got your nigga. Dip black lungs, smoking became my love. Green is the God I trust. Hate's a drug I don't touch. They say stars often bite the dust. Sky toured in my Dutch with the world spilling out my cup. Full leaf clovers could bring me luck. I'm infatuated with lust. Haters staring disgust. Mad they plans only got ass. Far as disgusted to my shattering. Life past like glass. Life is cutting me slow, though killing me fast. As I'm staring at this hourglass, trying to paint this picture. Drowning my sorrow, consuming shots of the dark brown liquor. My mother and heaven used to cut my wrist, hoping I would get nearer. Well, what is it you fear? I'm no death, bring tears, but I ain't trying to do that shit to my family or my peers. But sometimes a nigga feel like I'm never really home, even though I'm back in my hometown. This shit feel different when you wrong.
If I ain't take real steps to prevent those things, I'm not comfortable. I can't walk around, charismatic and happy. Nah, I gotta make sure, we setting up some type of wealth, cause we might have a little bag right now. A lot of people had a bag right now, and they ended up bad. We got a core business, which is for me, music. But then it's about building an enterprise around it. All that other advice I could've gave you, this is the short version. Get you a couple dollars, man. You gon' feel different.
Hustle the homie, just know you got a nigga. Serving swerve early morning, cause ain't no giving it up. Hustle the homie, just know you got your nigga. Hustle the homie, just know you got your nigga. Serving swerve early morning, cause ain't no giving it up. Hustle the homie, just know you got your nigga. I am the corpse that you feed off, the weed that you breathe on. Hair on addiction, stick the needle in the arm. Now let's take a visit straight in the Hell's Kitchen.